Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solutions of 7th and 8th problems in an easy way if these problems come in the form of MCQs. This is 7th problem. In the given figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Then the first one is triangle AAP is similar to which triangle? So here AD and CE are altitudes. Altitudes means the perpendicular lines which are drawn from the vertices to the opposite lines. So here these two lines are perpendicular lines. So here these two angles are 90 degrees. So here triangle AEP is similar to which triangle? So if you see here these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So those are equal, and here this is 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees. So here angle 1, angle 2 are equal to corresponding angles of these two triangles. Corresponding angles of this triangle. So these two triangles are similar by AA criteria. Therefore triangle AAP is similar to triangle CDP. If you write in this order A1 2, then here also C1 2. So triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. And in the next question, here triangle ABD is similar to dash. So here triangle ABD, and if you take this triangle BEC, so here these two angles are 90 degrees, and this is common angle. B is common angle in these two triangles. So we can say that by AA criteria, triangle ABD, if you write in this order A, B and D, that is similar to triangle C and B and E. C and second angle and one angle, first angle. So triangle CBE. The answer is triangle CBE. This is third one. Triangle AEP is similar to dash. So here if you observe these two triangles, this triangle and this triangle, in these two triangles, angle A is common in these two triangles, and here second angle is 90 degrees and here also 90 degrees because these two are altitudes. So by AA criteria, these two triangles are similar. So triangle AEP, if you write in this order 1, 2 and P, then here also 1, 2 and P. So triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADP. And next one, triangle PDC is similar to dash. So here triangle PDC, and if you take this triangle BEC, C is common angle and this is 90 and this is also 90. So two angles are corresponding angles are equal in these two triangles. So by AA criteria, triangle PDC, if you write in this order PD, that is one angle, and this is 2, PDC is similar to triangle B and 1 and 2. So BEC, triangle BEC is the answer here. This is 8th problem. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects CD at F. Triangle ABE is similar to dash. So here ABCD is a parallelogram. We know that in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. So here triangle ABE, if you observe here AD is produced to E, and if you join B and E, that intersects CD at F point. And now if you observe these two triangles, in these two triangles opposite angles are equal because this is a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So angle A is equal to angle C, and here this angle EBC is equal to angle AEB, because if you see here these two lines are parallel and this is a transversal line. We know that if a transversal line intersects two parallel lines, then alternative interior angles are equal. So these two angles are equal. So in this triangle angle 1, angle 2, and in this triangle angle 1, angle 2, corresponding angles are equal in these two triangles. Therefore triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. If you write ABE, 2, AB and 1, here also 2 and F and 1. So that is CFB. So triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB.